Citing an extremely grim situation from stray dog bites causing rabies, especially among children, the Supreme Court on Monday directed Delhi NCR authorities to relocate all strays to shelters at the earliest. It ordered the creation of shelters for 5,000 dogs within 6 to 8 weeks and warned of strict action, including contempt, against any obstruction. Former Union Minister Vijay Goyal, who has been campaigning through his NGO Lok Abhiyan for a solution to the stray dog menace, welcomed the Supreme Court's order to shift strays to shelters.
आवारा कुत्तों की समस्या पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो अभी आदेश आया है उसका हम स्वागत करते हैं। पिछले 2 साल से लोक अभियान के माध्यम से मैं आवारा कुत्तों के खिलाफ आंदोलन चला रहा हूं और लगभग जो हमारी मांगे थी वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सब मानी है और मैं समझता हूं पूरे देश को इसका स्वागत करना चाहिए। अभी तो ये एनसीआर में लागू है पर इसको पूरे देश में लागू करना चाहिए।
However, animal rights activists expressed disappointment, with former minister and activist Maneka Gandhi calling the judgment irrational and driven by anger.
Judgment seems to have been given without any rational thought. It's a judgment stemming from anger. And the odd part is that it's based on a newspaper clip of the reason why he put this suo motu is because he read in the newspapers that a child was attacked and killed by a set of dogs. Unfortunately, in that case, the child was not attacked and killed by dogs. The child and the parents have confirmed that the child died of meningitis.
He only heard a one-sided narrative and set aside the law without even listening to any other party or considering the consequences that this kind of an order would have on the population. What would the ecosystem be like if 10 lakh dogs are suddenly removed? How will those dogs be kept? What kind of infrastructure and manpower would be required? Or whether it would be scientifically tenable to do such a thing.
The Delhi government has indicated it will follow the court's order, with Chief Minister Rekha Gupta saying the stray dog menace has assumed gigantic proportions and assuring that a policy will soon be formulated to implement the order in a planned manner.
कोर्ट ने जो आदेश दिया है वो भी हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारा एक ही ध्येय है, दिल्ली की जनता को राहत देना। आज ये प्रॉब्लम जिस विकराल रूप धारण करके दिल्ली के सामने खड़ी है, इसमें सरकार की ईमानदारी के साथ में समाधान देना ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, जिसकी हमने पूरी योजना बनाते हुए इस समस्या पे काम हम करेंगे और दिल्ली की जनता को बड़ा लाभ हम लगातार देने वाले हैं।
Meanwhile, in Kerala, where the dog menace has long been an issue, Minister M.B. Rajesh said the Supreme Court's order on stray dogs highlights the impracticability of the Animal Birth Control or ABC rules.
That order has exposed the impracticability of ABC rules. Supreme Court has severely criticized certain provisions in the ABC rules. So in this context, the Government of India should revisit ABC rules and make necessary amendments. The present ABC rules are totally impractical and inefficient in addressing the issue of stray dog bites.
According to data from the Municipal Corporation of Delhi and various surveys, the city has an estimated stray dog population of around 10 lakh, with 26,334 dog bite cases reported so far this year.